What's up, guys? It's Cole, Holden. Hey!
Hey!
And Nick. So we came at you last week with an issue that HUX needed a diverter valve and it was stuck in Chicago. Well, we got a wonderful surprise wherever Nick freaking put it. We got our diverter valve today. All that trouble for this little piece right here. 3 bolts and a plug. So hopefully here we can get HUX jacked up, get the diverter valve out,
Give her a bath.
put the new one in, and then she can go get a bath. So check back within you. We'll check back within you. Check back in with you here in a little bit. The car. Just a quick update. We got the old diverter valve out, and here's our issue. Hold up. So not only did the common symptoms, you pull the electrical plug off and oil came out, I pulled it out and it's in 2 pieces. So it would not function properly. Exhibit A. In attempts to get the old one out, a new one put in, we lost a screw somewhere, so Holden is now looking for that. So we will come at you with another update here in just a little bit. A little bit ago we came at you with a video saying, you know, we got the diverter valve earlier than planned anyways, and we have HUX up and going. She seems to be a lot happier. We feel like we gained a little bit of power. That diverter valve might have been going out sooner than we thought. And we've got Holden here doing the skid plate. Put the skid plate up. We got a steering wheel possibly coming Monday for HUX. And we did carbon fiber in the grill. I don't know if you can really tell if I look at the headlights there, but that headlight bulb is different. That bottom one, it's a color changing one. And we have video of that. And we found a bomb little shifter valve, shifter skirt, a Galaxy one. So we stuffed that in there. You know, nothing real serious, but I think HUX is getting a bath today. Possibly a shine. Hit a button on that. Possibly a shine, and we'll come at you later with another video. But for now, this is Cole,
Nick, Holden,
signing off. Make sure you hit the like, the comment, the subscribe, and we'll come at you with some more content soon.